All right, welcome to this short video on adding targets to a corridor. So on screen here, I have a corridor and I've actually got two offset alignments. One here, you can see I've got like a bus bay here, and then this other one here, I've got a turn lane at the end of this corridor. So I want to stretch the lanes out to both of those. Okay. So one thing I always want to make sure is with your assemblies, you really want to make sure that you actually have these names. So you can see that says right lane. I hover over this one and I have a left lane. Okay. So now there's a couple ways to be able to add the targets. We can select our corridor on screen. We can come up here to corridor properties. And on the parameters tab, we have targets. Now you have set all targets. I don't recommend using this, especially if you have multiple baselines and regions in here. If you're going to do it in here, I recommend just clicking on the one region. So here would be targets. I click on this. And you've got really two tabs here. So you have surface targets, okay? And then we also have offset and elevation targets. And as you can see here, it gets pretty busy. This is why I say don't click on set all targets. But basically you got to look at the sides here. And this is why I told you to rename these things. So here you can see left lane, and I've got a width, and I've got an outside elevation. So I could stretch that lane in and out, and I can also make it go up and down by attaching a feature line, a 3D polyline, or a profile. So what I'm going to do is I want to do the width target here. And so when I select on the width target of the left lane, over in here it says none. I can come down in here and pick the alignment I want. I can also pick it from the screen here, but I'm on the left side, so I'm going to say pick my left lane. Then I'm going to come down here to the right side. I'm going to pick the width alignment. And instead of picking it here, I'm going to click on the green icon. And then it's always in the direction of alignment. So my alignment's going in this way. I know this is my right-hand side, so I will pick this alignment as the right. I'm going to press enter. And so now you can see I've set both of those. Okay, I'm going to go OK here. And I'm going to go OK. I'm going to rebuild the corridor. And now you'll actually see how it stretches out because I've attached the alignment as a target on both sides here. Now another way to do this is you can actually select on the corridor also, come up here and go edit targets, and this allows you to pick your corridor and then pick inside the region that you want to edit, and you can press enter, and then the same dialog box comes up and you can see I've got them in there. So another way to actually do this. This concludes this short video on setting targets on a corridor.